Hello, hello. Good morning. My videos are being taken down because I got no music rights, I guess, or whatnot. But I'm streaming straight from YouTube, so I don't understand how that works. If I'm streaming from YouTube and YouTube already got the rights, why am I not able to utilize it? Streaming from YouTube using YouTube's platform. Weird. Anyways, we got news at 10 a.m. and that's it. And then we got PM news after that. So not much news to move the market. Could we possibly just continue tracing down for the rest of the session? Possibly. Could we possibly retest the highs? We could. There's a lot of buying pressure still. Sellers are saying selling, but buying pressure is there. Let's see if we could test the highs one more time. Let's be patient. If we try to retest the highs again, I'll get into a small position, aiming for maybe a break of 250s into 300s. But I don't want to be early to the party. There's big orders above us. With this much buying pressure, I think we'll buy into them. First level of large orders is around 240, 240, 241. That's the first round of orders. Let's see if we can take the 240s out. Larger time frame, we're still pushing. Like I said, buyers are in control. I'm just looking to catch this momentum to the upside. Just looking for a good opportunity. We had a bunch of sellers try to sell the last couple of minutes. Let's say 40 minutes. They're not doing the best. As we're moving up, I don't see buying pressure following them. Let's see. We usually like to recoil from first deviation. Biggest recoil usually happens at VWAP, but first deviation recoils are also nice. They might not be as big, but like for example, if we get in a long, we're gonna get along at 221, let's say. Our stops would be the previous low, which was like 200. Let's say we do 199. That's for safety purposes. And then this one we'll target the highest, right? Yeah. Alright, so I would do like a small little play like that. Small little play like that. Where are we going? We're targeting higher highs, or equal highs at least. We are trying to ride the momentum. See buyers coming in, buyers trying to come in. See if they try to do it one more time, and then maybe we'll test the highs with that crowd. Um, Again, we gotta be weary because if we take this out, we can move lower. We have taken out first deviation already. One break, two break. You know, if sellers let go of the gas any moment, we have 243s or 240s. 240s, 241 to be targeted if sellers let go of the gas and just let the buyers take over for a little bit. I think we'll retest close to the highs again, but just be patient. We have 3 minutes or 2 minutes until the last 15 minutes. Sometimes the last 15 minutes are eventful. Gives that one last little volume within the hour before the next round of participants come in. Crazy YouTube takes my shit down though. Crazy. I wonder, will the buyers get eaten up or would the sellers get eaten up? We have a lot of pending orders of sellers up top, and we have a lot of current active aggressive buyers. You know, we'll see how they interact. So from now on, my stream's gonna have no music because YouTube demonetizes it or demon demonetizes it or whatever you want to call it. They don't want you winning. They don't want you winning. Oh, one viewer up in here. Good morning to him or her. Good morning. 225 seems like a level for us that is difficult to break through. Crazy. Looks like sellers want to come and eat them up. Buying pressure did not ease on that push down though. It's a high buying pressure. And we selling off. Horrible. Horrible. About to be stopped out now. Stopped. Right at my stop. It bounces. See if it can hold 200. I'd like it to hold 200. It's struggling to hold 200. There was your 30 points though. 25 points, 30 points. Huge buying pressure still. I don't know. And there we go, tumbling down. Of course. Of course, it's gonna close in the 5 minutes below 200. Still got orders sitting at 240 to 41. Are we ever gonna trade into them? I don't know. Buying pressure's still there. Retest at 200. See what 200 got to offer us. If we have no support, no holding of the line, we out. 200. 200 needs to hold. Alright, we're watching struggling 200 still. We're struggling 200 still. Sellers did step in last 5 minutes, as you can tell. Sellers stepped in, failed to hold below 200. Will buyers now reclaim the move? Oh, great. Almost 9, guys. Almost top of the hour. We'll get some volatility at 9 and get some more volatility at 9:30 most likely. So we're going to keep pushing down in search of more buyers at some point to level us out. They're trying to demolish it past 200. It's just a matter of they can. If they gas out before, buyers will not be forgiving. They will not be forgiving. Order book's thin. Like, what are you doing? Push it down. Would not take previous hourly highs. It pushed down. This is a very very unpleasant push down right now. Oh, they're stacked up crazy now above us. They want to push it down lower. Let's see. 5 minutes left. See what happens. We got bought right back up to 200. Either selling pressure slowed down. Slight buying pressure increased. Nothing changed though. We're still get dumpity dump. News at 9:30 and 10, so we just wait for that. So two newses could make price drop after release, I think. Music is crazy boring, yo. I just wanted to just be over. We're gonna try something risky, but we'll see. I kind of want the new hour buyers to overwhelm the sellers a little bit here. Buying pressure still high. Got a bunch of orders up on the book still. It's crazy. My laptop broke. Got it back. He freaking took all the stickers off it. Oh, my laptop got no character now. Well, we're back above 200, guys. That's good news. Let's see if we can maintain it there going into the 9th hour. Three, two, one. Let's get a little bit of craziness. Once the sellers are there, but how badly? There we go. They're pushing it again. Somebody can just run out of juice. And we can easily get clapped here. My stop is just what? 13 points. 13 points away my stop, so I can easily get clapped. So use discretion. New hour orders are still up there. The orders are still up there. But we are starting to build a little bit of buyers now. I kind of don't want that to happen too soon. If we do it too soon, we might start gravitating towards them. I still like longs. The orders up tops are sitting nicely, waiting for us to trade into them. 240, 241, still our target. We got 250 in the cards too as well, 260. So 240, 250, 260. Those will be interesting. Those will be interesting. Yeah, we're starting to build below now. We have buyer pressure increasing slightly. We're back at 25s now. What we do here, I don't know. Can we go to 50s, please? Come on. Give me the 50s. And I will be satisfied on the day. You give me 50s, I'll be done with the day, honestly. What more can I ask for? It could go crazy, to be honest. First 5 minutes of the new hour secured. We had buyers try to come in. We had sellers try to come in. We rejected off it. Buyers came in, took off the top. Let's see if we continue taking off that top. Orders are building below us. I don't like that. 22.15. I prefer staying, buyers staying in control for a little bit longer. Let's see if that changes. I'm back at the first deviation. Excuse me. I like that. I like seeing price rise. We've risen to 225, and we had a buying pressure increase at the same time. So I do like that. I would like it to continue pressing. And let's see if we can get anything past 25, 225. That seems like a struggle. Orders are sitting above. See buyers have it in them to go match those orders. Same story. It is only 8 minutes into the hour. It's trying to cook for us. 225 seems to be a struggle. It's crazy. Broken 225, but not with much strength. We are breaking it though. We are breaking it. 27. All right, let's see if the 5 minute closes above 25. We close about the 25. I think next 5 minute could continue pushing until 9:30 maybe. We're at the 30s now. Let's see what the 30s do for us. We went up in price. Pressure stayed the same. Back at the 25s. Like I said, I like to see 250s. I like to see 250s being traded. That's right here. 250s is right here. I'll just leave this line here, see if we can trade to it. See if we can trade into 250s. We got 230s in the way now. Orders are slowly building underneath. Bids are bidding underneath slowly. 225 still a struggle, it seems like. We had sellers try to step in within this hour. Once they got demolished. And then sellers try to step in the last hour, they got demolished. Alright, we're at 34 now, above 30s. We're above 30s. Let's go. See if we can push into the 50s. That's what I want to see. Please. Give me the 50s. And honestly, 50s don't hold. If 50s sellers don't hold, we are bound to go into the 70s. I think. What is this? Level 70s, yeah. We will go into the 70s if 50s don't hold. That's a 20-point difference. We might trade back down below 50s before we go to 70s, or we can go straight to the 70s, straight from the 50s. But right now, we are struggling to get 50 points. Uh, well, we're currently up 31 points. It's not much. It's not much. Nasdaq average moves 200 to 500 points a day easily. Not even a session, let's say, right? Not even a day, a session. 250 still holding, bro. They got orders there. Bids are slowly building. We're building. We do have a lot of people in the way. At the 240, like I said, at the 240s, we got people in the way. And that's what's happening. They are stepping up now. How much can they step up? We'll find out. But it rejected at 36, so you couldn't push past 36 right now. Okay, now we got order. Now we got sellers coming in heavy. Passive orders are saying they're heavy, so they're either I think early sellers or people trying to cover. Yeah, there are 60 orders sitting at 230 basically. At 235. See if we can touch them. They're trying to hold the pressure. Buying pressure increased though, even though more passive selling orders have hit the book now. Above us. Above us. I don't know if they're trying to fake us out or they're inducing more sellers right now. Or were more sellers already induced, and that's what I'm seeing on the book. Nah, we ate that. We ate the 60 orders like nothing right now at the 34. Let's see if we keep eating the orders. Because now we have a little bit of volume coming in. 15 minutes done gave us some sort of, reaction, some sort of market information. Again, I want 250s ideally. 250s is what. That's where I will take off my full position at 250. I will have a runner up until then. Interesting. We hit what? What are we hitting now? 238. Bro, I'm really struggling for the 250s. Every single $2 is a meaningful point for us at this point. 15 minutes left till the market open. Let's not get clapped. Come on, run into 250 before 9:30, please. Please. Yo, last time my magnet wasn't working. Is it working this time? Still not working. It's crazy. Yeah, that's it. I mean, we have a bunch of bids now down below as targets ready. I just don't know if we're ready to chase them yet, you know? 'Cause we still chasing the previous high, session high, previous session high, current session high. And this is now some bullshit. We're back at 25 now. 225 is gone. Looks like we won't get what we want until the 9:30. And then 9:30 itself could just be very uneventful for us. But we'll wait. We'll wait. Ten minutes before market open. Oh, we got the pop. We got our pop. We got our pop, boys. Interesting. It just screwed all the sellers, bro. GG's. That puts me at now it might do some crazy move down. We're good though. We'll be on for a little bit longer just to see what happens after my position so I can reflect on it, and then that's it. Have a good day, guys. Be careful. And have a good day, guys. We were here for the 9:30 open. We popped. Pop. We done. Have a good day.